So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to learn English as a beginner. And if you want to improve your English quickly, you need to stop learning grammar first and start learning English the right way. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 most effective beginner level method that will help you to improve your English fast. And after watching this, I guarantee you will think differently about how to speak, understand, and most important, how to actually use English in real life. So, by the way, I'm Neha, and I learned English all by myself while studying at home. And now I can speak in 4 different accents: Indian, American, British, and Black American accent. So, many of my some of my students always ask that one question: how to start English as a beginner. They sometimes find very difficult to start, and they ask questions like, is there any method to form sentences? Is there any method to start? So this video is all about that. So in this video, I'm going to give you answers to all of your questions. Let's dive in. So here's my first tip for beginners. Start learning English vocabularies. And why? Because a language is built by so many words, right? Without words, there is no language. So first you have to collect so many words. You have to build your foundation, and which is possible by learning vocabularies and new English words. For example, instead of learning a word play, learn the whole sentence: I want to go to play. Instead of learning a word beautiful, learn the whole sentence: you are beautiful. And why this method is so effective? Because this will help you to learn those words in long term. Plus, also it will help you to use those words in a sentence. And third, it will help you to form sentences as a beginner, which most of my students ask. So this technique is best for you to learn vocabularies. And here's the second method: improve listening. So watch simple English video and listen to English songs and use subtitles at the beginning, as that's completely okay if you don't understand. And make sure that you understand at least 70%. But if you don't understand at all, just fine. Just breathe, don't worry, pick something easier. But if you understand the ideas but not every single words, that's achievement. Your English is already great. And the best way to improve your listening is with simple English songs. So whatever you like, choose one song, look up the lyrics, and then listen to that one song again and again. And you can sing it too, because that will help you to speak. That will help you to build your speaking muscle memory. And here comes the third method: practice pronunciation. It's also a very important part. But most of people think that first I'll master English, then I'll pay attention on pronunciation. But this is not how it works. Pronunciation is as important as other English practices. So why it can work? Because when you know pronunciation of word, correct pronunciation of a word, it helps you to speak those words in your speaking. And pronunciation is most important thing, because that's what children do. Children don't collect words. They only pay attention on sound, and that's how they learn their mother tongue. So you have to pay attention on pronunciation also. And the fourth point is, don't learn grammar. Yes, and this point is also important. You should understand, as a beginner, learning a lot of grammar rules can exhaust you. So don't learn so much grammar. It's good to learn some simple sentences so that can people understand you. But don't learn hundreds, thousands of grammar rules. Instead of learning hundreds of grammar rules, you just mastered these. So think of like them as sentence templates. You just plug in different words. Here's an example: I want you and I don't want you. We use them for expressing our desires, plans, and refusal. Here's a pattern: I want to plus verb, I don't want to plus verb. For example, I want to sleep, I don't want to go out today. So that's how you can learn sentence formation. And this point is need to be explained in detail, so I'll make a separate video about this. Okay? And here's the fifth method. Do these three things every single day. Okay? So listen 15 minutes of easy English video or podcast, anything you like. Don't try to understand everything, just listen. Just listen for listening. And the second one is 5 minutes shadowing. Shadowing is basically mean to repeat after a speaker. So choose a one speaker who speaks clearly and slowly, and then listen to that speaker and then repeat them. And the third point is read plus write. That's also very important. So read at least one page every day, and the most important thing is writing. Don't ignore it. Never ignore it. So you should, as a beginner, you should write at least one page every single day, because that helps you to think in English and also helps you to organize your thoughts. And here comes the sixth and most important point. Don't translate everything. So if you're learning English, don't learn English in Hindi. Like most people, what do they search? If they don't know meaning of a word, they search the Hindi meaning of that word. Don't do that. Learn English into English. So what you can do is, if you don't know the meaning of any word, just search that word and ask for definition, not the Hindi meaning. And if you don't understand, go to Google and there is option of images. Click on that and learn the meaning of that word by visuals. And that is the best way to learn the meaning of vocabularies. And here's another thing, don't translate in your head. Like whatever you think, start thinking in English from day one. Sometimes it'll feel difficult, some people don't understand how to do it, but start doing it anyway. You will slowly understand how to do it. So if you don't understand how to do it, like we all think every time and about almost everything. So for example, if you think that मैं थक गई हूँ, don't say मैं थक गई हूँ in Hindi. Say I'm tired, and do it regularly and every day. Make it a habit, and gradually you'll start doing automatically and naturally, just like me. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you got something out of this video. And if you like the video, or if it really helps you, then please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, because it helps me to make more videos like this. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next one.